What kind of thing is this one? Let's come and spend time with me. Stand up.
Darling.
Oh, wait now. I'm tired now.
Stop now. Why you like this?
What am I like? Like what?
You're just starving me. It's not good. So what am I doing here?
Please, you go. If it's that one, I'll make you to go. I will starve you. Look the way I'm lean. Apart from knacking, what else you know to do now?
Just stop it. See, I'm hungry.
Go and eat food, Joe. See, let me tell you, not you I'm doing friendly with you. I'm going to see my friend. Before I come back to my house, leave this house. What is this now? Leave this place.
Why you like this now? Okay, what's wrong with this guy? With all these things, are you blind? Well, I know what to do.
You be mumu.
Please, sir.
Sorry, I don't know if you can assist me with something. My car refused to start. I don't know what the problem is.
So I'm in here.
Just help me, please.
Oh yeah, open. What time?
Help me to check the battery for me.
Okay, it's a battery head now. A battery head has removed.
Hey.
Yeah, well, just no, say that I'll put it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, start it.
All right. Wow.
See? It's the battery head. Next time, be taking the battery head.
Thank you very much.
Right,
Thank you very much. Sir, please excuse me. See, I was going somewhere.
Okay.
But I don't know my direction. Please, I don't know if you can help me. I'm going to number 28B, Akwembe.
28B?
28B.
This is Akwembe Street now. You're almost there. 28 is where I'm staying.
Are you serious?
It's my compound. It's where I'm staying. I'm staying in one of the flats there.
Okay.
Just one flat there.
Okay, just give me direction so I can...
It's not far. You see that black shop there?
Yes.
That is the place.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You have called the person you are going to see now.
Yeah, my phone is down. I've called her.
Oh, it's her?
Yes.
We have some perfect gets in the coffee.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much for helping me.
All right.
Thank you very much. Thank you once more. Thank you.
All right.
This guy, no, this guy is a good Samaritan. Not for him now. I don't know. Thank you very much, huh?
Okay. Is the door locked now? You! In my house, on my bed. I'm coming for both of you. Wait for me. Who is it?
That's the owner of the house. Stop going.
Ah! The Lord has done it. Ah! It's okay. I'm not a cow now. Ah! I'm not a cow now. Idiot! Leave my house, not to leave my house. You have the guts to even bring a man to my house. It's not a bad thing, Sha. You brought a man to my house, I have a car now. Idiot. I'm not a cow now. Ah!
Hello guys, thanks for watching this video, and always please, I'm begging you, we don't have another work.
We not get.
Except you invite us to come for birthday or wedding ceremonies. Burial. No. You will not die. You will not die. You can never die, and nobody will die in your family. Amen. So please subscribe to Oyikotv.
Please subscribe.
Please.
Oyikotv.
It's free
Free of charge.
Yeah, they will not charge you. Just that they will give you notification say we don't post new video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. And please on your post notification. So whenever Oyikotv posts new video,
You see it.
you'll see it. Thank you.
Thank you.